If you've ever come across my content before, you know I'm not a huge fan of clean girl. But I am a whore for my viewers, so let's fucking go. Prime with some Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. Do a bit of brow action. Carve the eyebrows. Just filling in some of my pimples with that as well. Then I personally think Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter is perfect base for a clean girl look. But it is rather expensive, so if you have a dupe for that, go for it. Normally I would use my foundation brush, but because we did some spot concealing, that is going to disturb concealing with it. And personally, I also happen to think that this is the best bronzer I can get product out. There we go. Ooh, bitch. If you're a pale person, this is just my perfect bronzer, honestly. Blend, 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 blend. I said a blend, 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 blend. If you know the OG song that I just sang, I love you and let's be friends. I may have slightly overdone this. Just slightly. Now I'll go back to my NARS Paw Concealer. Start concealing wherever I want. Extra coverage. Also fix some of the blending errors I did. And soften this a little bit. Don't forget the eyelids because it's just not gonna match if you do not put anything on them. Because I have to be extra, I'm gonna be going in with a purple blush. I just feel like it adds a little something. Also gonna take some of that on my brush and work it into the eyes a little bit. See, for a clean girl makeup look, I would probably want to keep this looking dewy and not powder it, but the problem with that is that is just gonna rub right off of you. So I am gonna powder with Glowish mainly, as that's gonna help keep some of the radiance. The NARS Paw Concealer is also great for not creasing, but I do still want to set just a little bit in some of the places where you don't want to look too shiny. You know, that it doesn't look like I'm just oily. And spray. Tarte Fake Awake in the tight line. Do your highlighter of choice. I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills because it is rather natural. And just do a wee bit of a brown through the crease. Finish off with Kosas Bikini Blaze to tie in to that purple and blend it out. And this is where I would call it. If you want, you could add some freckles, but I think this is cute enough. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.